Morning, guys. So you saw the picture there of Elle getting coffee, and we ate some ramen for breakfast. You can see it's a spectacular day again. That's 2 in a row. That's awesome. Particularly great that it's happening while Elle's here, but it also definitely is a transition to spring. You can see all the buds and little leaf sprouts on the trees. Things are definitely coming together. So all my sniffling from the cold in all my prior videos hopefully won't be replaced by sniffling from the hay fever, but we'll see. Today we're looking to do just a smidge over 10 miles. We will, when we get to the top of this ascent, we'll actually be at the first location with the Blue Ridge Parkway. So from then, for quite a few miles, we'll be running along the Blue Ridge Parkway, which I presume means relatively flat ridges and nice trail. I don't know that to be true, but it seems that such a heavily populated and used trail portion of it would probably be that way. We do notice that the rock scrambles and the greatest challenges tend to be located in places where it's really only true section hikers and through hikers come through. So the more dedicated and determined hikers, I guess. Otherwise, I think there'd be a lot more injuries. So anyway, whatever. Looking forward to running along the Blue Ridge Parkway. This flat area right there almost looks like roadbed. So it's possible that we've already hit it this morning. Like I said, a little over 10 and a half. Then we're going to Uber it back to Troutville, get the car, then come back out to Buchanan and stay. There's an inn there, and they'll do shuttles. Here's the Black Horse Gap. And that road right there. I believe that's the Blue Ridge Parkway. Yep. I think that's the first, yep, tie to the Blue Ridge. Glenwood Horse Trail down there, and Fire Safety Road 634. We've gone 2.5 miles?
Yep, it says 2.5 miles to Wilson Creek.
Wow. Well, Wilson Creek was 0.7, so we've gone about 2 miles in an hour. So we're doing about 2 miles an hour with the ascent, you know. So we'll be doing a little faster than that over the course of the day. So yeah, this is really cool. Another sort of milestone. There's Boblett's Gap Shelter that a lot of the folks went to last night. So that's 4.9 miles. Wow, look at that scenic overlook right there. Okay, we're gonna go up the hill here. So I'll put you guys away and get back to you as there's updates or things change. This is the first glimpse we've had of the Blue Ridge Parkway. We've been walking along it for a bit, but couldn't see it. So I thought I would share it with you. And according to the map, we're just going to sort of wind alongside it. We are a little elevated here, you can see. And I think we're going to go up and down the ridges as the road is a bit more level or smooth. But yeah, this is definitely an area that, given the right situation with health and hiking partners or whatever, some of the guys are going to be making big miles. Really enjoying this day. It's sort of nice actually to do like this 2 days in a row, sort of like what I was doing with my 13s, because I really feel like it is giving my knees and legs some exercise, but not, or allowing them to heal simultaneously, maybe building up that, you know, muscle around those tendons and ligaments and joints that hurt by the exercise and stretching. But on the other hand, you know, really not overtaxing them. So I'm hoping that after this week, I will maybe enter even a new phase. We won't be yakking about the knees so much. I will have built up, taken the time to build up the muscles and things so that I don't have the braces and everything that I've got right now. I'm expecting to sort of shed those and stop nursing the legs a little bit later, maybe tomorrow or Thursday, and just seeing how that goes. Now, I don't know where this goes. Look at this. We're going to hit the actual, touch the Blue Ridge Parkway, I think, unless I'm missing a trailhead. I'm not sure. I don't see where the...
It must be the next one.
Is it?
Where's the trail go along the road?
I'm not sure if this is it. You know, this is the problem, is they don't mark the junctions. They'll mark all along everything else and then not mark the junctions. Oh, wait a minute. What is that right there? I don't see a mark on... Do you see a mark on the road or on any?
I see a mark on that yield sign.
Okay.
So
Okay.
maybe fall along the road, maybe?
Oh yeah, there's one on the yield side. Yep. Okay. Oh yeah, that'll be pretty. We can come up here and walk around there if you want. I said we can come up here and then walk around there if you want. I don't want to skip the AT portion to go through the parking lot. Yeah, look at this. And the birds too, sound of spring. That postcard over there, Taylor Mountain, it says.
Good thing there's no cars coming. We're just kind of in the middle of the road.
Yeah. Wow, this is pretty, huh?
I'd love to have that farm down there.
It's a beautiful spot. Another parking area along the Blue Ridge. See if I can find out which one. We came up here and we had, I'll show you, just
Yes, take me. I know.
postcard had joined us hiking, and then Silver, Inside Out, and Elle. So we're all in this spot. Come over here and see what the gap is we're at. So there's interesting information. Across the parkway for 100 miles.
When I came back from Vietnam,
Okay, so Montvale is the view. In Goose Creek Valley, but look at this. Oh, this is called Trail Magic at a state level. Okay.
Look how pretty those are.
This is sort of an interesting contrast. You see all of the devastation. They've cut all these trees back. There are obviously some sort of disease in them. It's been all along this area, but then look how pretty it is out there over the valley. And I don't know what this wall is, but it's the base and shores up the ground for the Blue Ridge Parkway, which is right over our heads. Anyway, this has an area, one section has been very up and down, quite rocky, but not unpleasant compared to other places. And with the weather sunny and 70 as it is, literally nothing can make you unhappy. Even a bird pooping on your head. Yeah, it sounds pretty from such a distance. We're talking about the train. Really pretty today. Oh yeah, I have to correct myself. For some reason I got yakking about bougainvillea in my videos instead of the rhododendron. I guess I used the term, describe the rhododendron as bougainvillea for a couple of videos, and obviously this is rhododendron, not bougainvillea, so